Was it scary like the... No? See, I told you. I was the one really scared.
Well, you've never flown.
Right. Totally different name.
Yeah, very
Just come back for that biplane ride.
We will. We have to come back.
That's the one, and I guarantee you there ain't nothing else will be just like it.
I haven't even got a full nice shots.
Unless you're busy. No.
There you go. Who's first?
Oh.
I got your ladder. Heifer, make sure you hang on that rope.
Okay,
There you
got it. Thank you. Ooh, gosh, this is so awesome.
Hey, alright.
Yeah.
Show her that data plate up there. It tells you what year.
Alright, right here.
Yeah,
Oh.
see it?
Oh, wait.
You see what year
Can
that
you
is?
flash? Do you have your phone? I can't. I'm too short.
You got it?
Hold on. I couldn't see it because I'm short, but...
Oh, I think he's trying to move the chair.
Oh,
Maybe that's why I moved
which way should I move?
Go this way.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
There.
Okay. Oh, this is so cool.
Can we go in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me,
Oh, here, put your second. Oh, look. Okay, go first. Oh, the co-pilot. And it landed in 1991, is that right?
Yeah, that's when they brought it in.
Ooh.
But this was an Eastern Airlines airplane in 53.
Thank you. Oh my god, this is so cool. You know what? I want to get a shot.
Oh,
Please model 3.
it's alright. Huh?
Yeah.
Like on Tommy Boy, but it's even tighter. I don't have my line. But that's it.
Have you guys been in here a lot?
wow,
At one
it's
point,
so
my dad was gonna
different.
live in it,
Oh, excuse me.
or make a restaurant at one point. There's been a bunch of ideas, but it's been a while since we've been in here.
I'll take a picture.
Oh, wow.
Flash.
I'm not posing on the toilet. Found your liquid rinse.
Seat.
Yeah.
You full?
Yep. Left it in there a minute, didn't we?
Yep.
I was trying to get the cockpit.
You want me to get out of the way? I can get out of the way. Yeah, I'm just standing here. Come on.
Actually, I just want to
Go.
like, get
Oh.
this part really quick. Sorry.
It's okay. Go over there. Oh, I'm in your way. Sorry.
You
Oh,
can do it
here.
really quick.
Oh.
I just wanted to take one more. Okay, go.
Okay, now I want to take one too.
Oh, wow. It's like the littlest kitten ever.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the recording? I forgot. Sorry. This is so cool. 2-pack napkins. How many passengers?
44.
44? Wow.
Plus 3, the pilot and the co-pilot.
Pilot, co-pilot. 34. Do you know what year was it built?
Did you see that sticker up there?
I was too short. Let me go back.
It says 1953.
1953. Wow.
Yes, this was Eastern Airlines airplane.
So it lasted a little over 52 years.
Wow.
Oh,
She going out?
yes.
Yeah, let me go.
Got Greg hold of the rope.
Sorry?
Put your foot. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Just hold on the rope. Don't worry about the camera right now.
You got it?
Yeah. As long as I don't fall, we're good.
Oh, sorry.
Come on.
Okay. Okay.
You want to sit in it? Get your picture hanging out the window?
Can I get another picture of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, actually, yeah, I want a picture of me at the window. Can I be?
Yeah.
Oh, right here. Woo. Yeah. In the front, I'm gonna come out the window. Thank you so much for opening it. Right here. Oh.
There you go. You're not gonna fall out. There you go.
Oh. Oh, hold on. Okay. I breathed in something.
Hang on the rope.
Okay. Backwards or forward?
I got you.
Okay.
Yep, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh, thank you.